Hello guys, good evening. Yesterday we discussed in the YouTube channel where the market will move and where it will stop. Everything I have given exact levels and all. Same thing only it's moved today. I hope everyone is booked with good profits. If anyone is feel our prediction is good, please give comments in the YouTube channel. Share your friends and family members, everyone. Tell them to watch and give the comments. See, SGX Nifty now 17,611 is showing. We are going to discuss tomorrow how market will move and all. See, before going to the tomorrow market and today, whatever the calls I provided in WhatsApp group and Telegram, everything, I have written a few points where the stop loss, where we have to enter everything. I hope all the calls hit today. There is no loss and stop loss hit. See, like that we are providing, and also we received some comments. I don't have time to include those comments in this channel. Even I don't want to give those things. See, whoever is having trust on me, they're going to trade. That's happy for me. Now I'm going to discuss about Nifty 50. Today our market ended with 17,629. This is the all-time high record we achieved. This is one of the good. See, and now we are going to discuss where is the stop loss, where is the resistance and the support levels, Nifty and Bank Nifty. And also today I am going to discuss about few of the stocks as well, how it will perform this month and next month how it will go. And before that, tomorrow I will give you one more call in IndusInd Bank. That is, tomorrow we are expecting some negative news. Let's see how it will move tomorrow. And now I'm going to discuss about the resistance levels and support levels. Nifty 50, today market ended with 17,629. Tomorrow resistance is 17,675 is the resistance. If it cross, there is no stop, market will move to 17,800. Again we will achieve the all-time high. If market fallen 17,570, that is the support level. If market go down, we are expecting huge fall. See, nowadays I'm not expecting fall will happen soon. Why? Because all IT sector and everything is boom is going on, so that some few more days we are expecting positive territory only. Like that only Bank Nifty also we are expecting. See, last week itself we expected 3,000 points will move up, around 40,000 it has to touch, but today almost 700 to 800 points moved high. That is good symptoms for us. Market will move upside. Let's see how it will perform about the Bank Nifty. Today market ended with 37,668. It's good. Tomorrow resistance support levels we will discuss. After that we are going to discuss some few more points also. See, tomorrow resistance level is 37,921 and support level is 37,500 if market move under. And also one thing I want to discuss with you guys, in Nifty Bank chart and Bank Nifty chart, I have given the consolidation zone. Once consolidation is happen, whenever the consolidation is happen, 5 to 1 hour, 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes, 20 minutes after consolidation, if breakout is happen, breakout or breakdown, anything is happen, we will expect more positive or negative. Please concentrate on these consolidation zones. And tomorrow if the market is move consolidation on breakout is happen, then we will expect more profits bookings and all. Now I am going to discuss about HCL Tech. Yesterday HCL Tech performed very well, but today it moved negative territory. I how many people are booked, I don't know, in HCL territory, HCL Tech. And today and soon we are expecting few more points in HCL Tech. Now today ended with resistance and support levels. Today ended with 1263. Resistance is 1285. If cross 1300, it will reach immediately. If break support level 1250, if market fallen below that one, we are expecting some more negative news. And right now we are not expecting any negative in HCL Tech. So going forward this month, it may reach 1300. Let's watch on this one. If anyone is hold the position, that is up to you. Profit and loss up to you. Please maintain the stop loss if any position if you hold are taken. GIL, we noticed that GIL has performed very well on this week, Monday, almost 100 to 150 points moved high. 100 points, sorry, 100 or 120 points moved high. After that it has taken correction, it moved downside, and now its GIL is banned. We are unable to buy any position. Let's see how market will perform, and we are expecting some more down in GIL. And we are going to discuss SRF. SRF is the one of the major thing to book profits and all. See here, if you book any position and hold it for some time, see month starting soon, SRF it will reach 13,000 we are expecting. So that anyone is want to hold for next month position, hold it 11,700, 11,400, anything like next week, next month position, hold it. Let's see how market will move, and don't panic on any position if the loss is getting out. See, if you feel your heart will say today this loss is enough for me, I don't want to bear more loss, then you guys can exit that position. Don't wait again, don't think yeah it will go up. Okay, like that happen, like that. Please concentrate on your work. Don't panic on any position, any bank nifty or nifty, whatever it may be. If you feel that I'm happy to book 2000, that's enough, exit the day, don't buy and get losses. And I'm requesting you to everyone, share my channel, your family members, friends, and everyone. In description I am providing my Telegram link. If anyone interested, please join Telegram channel. We are providing the levels and all, and also providing Upstock and Alice Blue links. Please register those things, we will help you more and more. Thank you guys.